Welcome! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Hospitable.com step by step. We'll cover automation tools for booking management, guest communication, calendar syncing, and task automation so you can manage your short-term rental business more efficiently. Managing short-term rentals can be incredibly rewarding, but also comes with a long list of repetitive tasks, from guest messaging and calendar syncing to review management and team coordination. If you're a host trying to scale your Airbnb or short-term rental business, automation becomes essential. That's where Hospitable.com comes in. Hospitable is designed specifically for hosts who want to streamline operations, reduce manual work, and create a consistent professional guest experience across multiple booking platforms. Whether you're managing one property or dozens, it helps make hosting far more manageable. This guide walks through how Hospitable.com works, what makes it valuable for property managers, and how to set up the platform to take full advantage of its automation capabilities. So before we get started, let's have a glimpse of the platform's overview. So Hospitable.com, formerly SmartBnB, is an all-in-one automation tool for short-term rental hosts. It's especially popular among Airbnb, Vrbo, and Booking.com users because it consolidates communication, calendar management, and operational workflows across multiple platforms into one place. One of its most powerful features is automated guest messaging, so you can create customized message templates for every stage of the guest journey, from booking confirmation and check-in instructions to follow-up requests and review prompts. Messages can be triggered based on timing rules and guest actions, reducing the need for you to respond manually to every inquiry or reservations. Because the platform integrates with major booking channels, it becomes a centralized hub where you can control your operations efficiently. The interface is clean, the automations are intuitive to set up, and the time saved is significant, especially for hosts juggling multiple properties. So now let's get started. So simply head over Hospitable.com, and from here you can start for free. So simply sign up for an account first. After signing up for an account, you will now be redirected to this page right here, which is your onboarding. So of course, to get started, you can get started in 9 simple steps, so you can get on board with the essentials of Hospitable.com by completing all of these steps right here. So I won't be completing these steps in this video. I'm just going to show you a walkthrough for the features of Hospitable.com and how you can use it. So let's just get back to these steps after. So first we have our inbox section. So from here, you will see all of your messages. You will see all of the unread messages, messages that are awaiting reply, resolved, starred, and of course, segments right here. So to see all of your messages, of course, you'll need to connect your Airbnb account. So let's say click here, click on connect, and you will be redirected to this page and simply sign in with your account. Let's go back. Next, we have our properties. So from here in the property section, you will see all of your properties that are currently listed on Airbnb. So again, if you connect your Airbnb platform or account right here, or other platforms where you have properties listed, of course, you will see them all right here. As you can see, this is a preview. So you'll see all of your property names, your listings, and which platform they belong. And you can also see your muted properties. You will see room types, tags, and saved segments. Next, we have our calendar. So again, as you can see, we have our calendar right here. So of course, from your calendar, you will see which dates you have bookings, which dates your properties listed is available. Of course, you can add your bookings too. You can filter out the dates, and you will see, of course, you can always create bookings or add bookings to specific dates. So let's say you want to select a specific date where a renter would like to rent your property, something like that. So basically, that's how you can use your calendar. Next is the guest experience section. So from here, you will see all of the reviews, the overview of your guest experience. Of course, you will see pending messages. You can also see pending reviews. You can see message. You can set your messaging rules, your review rules, the log, questions, custom codes, and all of that. So let's say you have connected to platforms, not only Airbnb. Let's say you have connected Airbnb and Booking.com. You will see all of the reviews from those platforms in one place, such as here in the guest experience section of Hospitable.com. Next, we have our operations section. So from here, you will see operations. So basically, from here, you can add your team members. So as you can see, we have teammates right here. You can assign them tasks. So basically, you can always assign them to specific properties. So if you have a bunch of different properties and you can't handle them all on your own, of course, you can always work with your team. Next is the metric section. So from here, you need to connect your account. And of course, you'll just see performance metrics in this section. Next is direct. So you can go direct with your own website and Google right here. But of course, you'll need to avail their pro version. And then next is devices. So from here, you can connect to your devices. But to do this, you'll need to upgrade your subscription plan. So from here, you can see your connected devices. So let's say smart locks or thermostats. From here, we can also see our settings. So you can set your settings from here. Also have our apps right here. So you can connect different platforms such as, again, the Booking.com, Airbnb, and Vrbo. So that's basically all of the features of Hospitable.com. So again, to get started, you'll need to do those simple steps on the onboarding. So to get back to that page, you'll see this. You have 9 next steps. Just click here and show me how. And as you can see, it will now be walked through right here. So just follow all of these steps right here to get started with your account. So make sure to feel free to explore more about the platform and make sure it leverages you and helps you in your business needs. Thank you very much for watching this complete step-by-step guide. I hope this video helped you understand how to use Hospitable.com to automate and manage your hosting operations more efficiently. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical business, hosting, and software tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.